Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a note-taking application, you're in the right place. Today we're going to have a look at MilaNote and we're going to look at Microsoft OneNote. We're going to figure out which one you should be using by going through all of its features and some of its disadvantages. So without further ado, let's check out what they actually have to offer. So let's start out in MilaNote, which is designed primarily for a creative professional as well as people working in teams. It is a visual workspace that allows you to organize your ideas, projects, your inspiration, all in a flexible and intuitive manner. OneNote, on the other hand, is a versatile note-taking application that integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft Office products. It's ideal for students as well as professionals, and anyone else really who needs to capture and organize information quickly and efficiently. OneNote allows you to create structured notes. You can also collaborate with others, and you can sync all of your work across different devices. Now let's dive quickly into MilaNote's features. It has visual organization. So if you are a visual thinker such as myself, MilaNote allows you to arrange your notes and your ideas visually. You can create boards, you can add images, texts, links, and you can move your elements around freely, which gives you a lot of creativity freedom. It also has some templates that you can use that will allow you to create your boards. You have a variety of templates and they're tailored for different types of projects, such as brainstorming sessions, mood boards, and even whole project planning. You also have a drag and drop interface. The intuitive drag and drop functionality makes it easier, of course, for you to organize your ideas and materials without a steep learning curve. So it's very easy to use. Let's have a look at OneNote and what OneNote actually has to offer. So it has great organization features. It uses a notebook structure, which allows you to create sections and pages for better organization of notes, as well as other material that you're working with. It also features rich text formatting, which means you can format your notes with various fonts, colors, styles, which makes it easier to highlight important information. It also has a handwriting support feature, which allows you to use handwriting input, which makes it an excellent choice for you if you prefer taking notes with a stylus or a touch pen. You also have audio and video notes, which is great. I love it. You can record audio and video directly within your notes, which provides a multimedia approach to information capture. Sometimes words is not enough, so take a video or speak it out. That's amazing. You have cloud syncing, so you can use it across all of your devices. This ensures that you always have your notes wherever you are. You have full accessibility, whether it's on your phone, on the go, on your tablet, or in your office or at home on your computer. You also have fantastic collaboration features, which is in fact similar to MilaNote. OneNote allows for real-time collaboration, which makes it a lot easier for you to share notes and work together in a team if you are in fact working in a team. Now, there are a few disadvantages of MilaNote as well as OneNote. For MilaNote, you get limited offline access, and there's also a bit of a learning curve for new users. OneNote has a bit of a cluttered interface, just from a personal point of view, and it does have sort of like limited visual organization, so it's something to get used to. So both MilaNote and OneNote have distinctive features. However, to try and figure out which one you should be using is important. So basically what you need to do is balance what your needs are and balance what features are offered in each one of these programs. And also take into consideration what they cost if you are going to be using the Pro version. If this was an enjoyable video, you can go ahead and drop us a big old thumbs up. And if you enjoyed this content, you can consider subscribing for more. We'll see you next time, people. Peace.